Class, this is Zach Vincent, and I'm going to answer the questions for Group 4. The first question is according to the Camacho text, what is the nature of environmental justice as related to food? And the second question is, what does Bookchin mean when he writes of the objectification of humans in the environment? In the Camacho text, White writes about the fact that that people of color and the poor are at greater risk of being exposed to environmental hazards. He points out that not only are these groups at greater risk because they often work in environments where they're directly exposed to toxins, but their diets often consist of food that have been contaminated as well. Often the hazardous waste facilities are located disproportionately where people of color and the poor live. And one of the reasons argued by Bullard on page 74 is that often because of economic restraints, people are forced to accept the circumstances and conditions that may be hazardous to them. White goes on to state that a society that allows such a pattern of coincidence to persist has failed to equally protect its citizens, and that this failure itself constitutes an environmental injustice, end quote. In response to the Bookchin text, which for some reason I found really difficult to read, I think it's clear that what the author meant by the objectification of humans in the environment. I believe that he means that society as a whole is and has forever been selfish, and we have sort of forever viewed people and the earth as tools, and we've rarely given any regard to the consequences of how we've treated the earth or people for that matter.